close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all.
Hola, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a review and a tutorial using the new Dose of Color collaboration with iluvsarahii. If you would like to see the whole collection and a tutorial using that collection, then just keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little red button down below so you can be part of my familia de bellezas. And I also wanted to remind you guys to turn on those bell notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. And now let's see how I got this look. So recently, Dose of Colors collaborated with iluvsarahii, where they actually came out with a palette, 2 highlights, and 6 liquid lipsticks. From those liquid lipsticks, 4 of them are matte liquid lipsticks and 2 of them are glosses. So this is the packaging from the outside for the collaboration, which I really love how it looks. It's so pretty. And then for the inside, the palette looks like this. So pretty. I really love how it looks. And on the back, it really has the names of the eyeshadows. I wish they would have put it in the inside because they did have some space, but they decided not to. And from the inside, the palette looks like this, which I feel like it has really pretty colors. I really only wish that the black would show like the sparkles. As you can see, I actually used that color on my eyes, but it's not showing that color. I am going to be doing another tutorial in this video using the green color as well. They also came out with 2 highlights, which are these highlights. One of them is the color Soulmate, and the other one's the color Bathe. Unfortunately, the color Bathe arrived here broken. I still wanted to film with it, so as you can see, it's broken. And I did do some swatches of both of them. So these are the swatches. This one is the color Bathe, and this is the color Soulmate, which is more golden. I'm actually wearing the color Soulmate right here, and on this side I actually did apply the color Bathe and the color Soulmate as well. For the liquid lipsticks, they did come out with 4 liquid lipsticks, which are matte, which are these. I love the packaging. I feel like the packaging is really pretty, and this is the packaging. I just wish that for the packaging I would be able to see the color that's inside. Instead, they decided just to put it on the bottom, and which is okay. I just wish that I could have seen what color is inside. And for the glosses, this is the packaging, which I wish they would have used the same packaging for the liquid lipsticks. And the glosses are really pretty. I'm actually wearing 2 of them right now. I'm actually wearing the gloss in the color Brillo, and I'm also wearing the color Nude Chica on my lips, which I actually love the look. I actually love the combination of these 2. So now let me leave you with the tutorial. So I'm starting off with the color Hula. I'm just going to use this one as a transition color. And I've already prepped my eyes with some concealer. So I'm going to start off with my Dose of Colors palette in collaboration with iluvsarahii. And I'm going to start off with the color Un Poquito Más. And I'm going to be applying it on my outer V and bringing it in. And I am smoking it out quite a bit. As you can see, it's like really pigmented. So now I'm going to be using the color Loungy, which is this black color with the sparkles. So this black color, I feel like has some specks, but they all kind of fall, which I wish they wouldn't and they would stay, because I was actually looking forward to seeing the specks in the black eyeshadow, but all the little sparkles just seem to be falling off. They don't actually stay, but the black color is really pigmented. So far right now, I'm just packing it on since I am going to be buffing it out as well. And now with a small brush, I'm going to be buffing it out. So at this point, I am going to be adding a little bit more of this black color. So I am going to be cleaning under my eyes since I do have a lot of fallout from the black eyeshadow. So now I'm going to be adding the color Wanderlust to my brow bone. And I'm applying it with a Sigma F66 brush. So now I'm just going to go finish the rest of my face and then I'll be back. So now I'm going to be adding the color Un Poquito Más in my lower lash line. So now I'm just going to be applying a little bit of this eyeliner from Urban Decay, which is a 24/7 in the color 0. So now I'm going to go back with the black color and I'm going to be packing it on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to go back with the color Un Poquito Más and I'm going to be applying a little bit in the lower lash line. For the inner corner, I'm going to be using these two colors. For falsies, I'm using these Lily lashes in this style, Mykonos. For the highlighters, I did buy both of the highlighters and this is the packaging, which is so pretty. This one is in the color Bathe. This one did arrive kind of broken, so I am going to try to see if I can exchange it, but this is how it looks. And this is the swatch. So pretty. Ooh. So pretty. The next highlight is the color Soulmate. And it's this one right here. Wow. Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. So while my battery was charging, I decided to curl my hair, and I usually don't really curl my hair, and I actually love curling my hair. Sometimes I actually use that Chi curler, that spinning one, which I actually love a lot, and maybe I'll show you guys in Instagram how I do it. And as you guys saw, that was the tutorial. I really didn't have any problems with the palette. I feel like the colors are really pigmented. It doesn't really have any like kickback or anything. They're not really powdery at all. I really love that they're not powdery and yet they're still very pigmented. The only thing I would have to say is that the black color, I wish that the sparkles would show up on my eye, but they just all fall off completely. But I still love that it was really pigmented and black, because let me tell you, I have never ever done a black smoky eye where I don't use something under that's black to be able to make it show up this black. This is actually the first time that I've done a black smoky eye this black without having to use a black like pencil under, which I really loved. I feel like the color Pluma is the one that stands out the most. I really do wish that they would have put the names right here, because they did have space, but they decided not to, which, I mean, it's okay, but I just wish the colors would have been, like, the names would have been on the palette. I do feel like the palette is a little tiny bit pricey, and to be honest, I feel like we already have a lot of these colors in our collections, with the exception of the color Pluma. I feel like that one's very unique. I really do love it. I just feel like we do have other colors in our collection, so I don't know if it's worth it paying $36 for this palette. Honestly, I did, because I love the collection and I also wanted to support Karen iluvsarahii. As a Hispanic myself, I'm very proud of her, so I feel like she did an amazing job with this collection. I feel like if you want to support Karen iluvsarahii, go ahead and pick up the collection. I just don't feel like you need everything. For me, the highlight, my favorite one, was the color Soulmate, which I feel like looks very pretty, and it looks most flattering on my skin. Now let me leave you with the swatches for the lips. So now let's start swatching the lipsticks. So I did go ahead and pick up the whole collection, which is 6, and I love the packaging. It's so pretty, and I'm gonna start off with the color Fresa. Ooh. So I do love the color. It's so pretty. I just feel like the lips are a little bit too much for this dramatic eye look already, but I really love how it looks. It's so pretty. So now we're gonna apply the color Aesthetic. Ooh, I love this one.
Leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
oh my god, I love this color. It's so pretty. I don't own anything that looks like this, and I'm absolutely wowed by this color. It's so pretty. So the next color is the color Peachii.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I feel like this color is really pretty as well. I just don't feel like it goes with the eye look I have going on here, but I really do love the color. I think I'm gonna try it also with this gloss on top. So I'm gonna try the gloss on top of this lipstick, and this one is in the color Brillo, which I feel like it's gonna go really pretty.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
So I do feel like after I put the gloss, the Brillo gloss, it looks so much prettier. I really love how it looks with this gloss. It's just a perfect combination. So the last liquid lipstick is the color Nude Chica.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I do have to admit that I love how this nude lipstick looks with this dramatic eye look. I feel like they complement each other very well. And finally, I have a gloss, and this one is in the color Barely There, just this one right here. I'm gonna try it on top of this one, and then maybe I'll try it alone. Ooh.
Horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll.
So I do feel like this combination of colors looks very flattering on the lips.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So this is how Barely There looks alone without a liquid lipstick under. I feel like it looks very pretty alone, and it is pretty pigmented just by itself. And as you guys saw, those were the swatches for the lips. I really loved all the colors. So now let me leave you with the second tutorial. Since I know this eyeshadow does have some glitter, I'm going to be using some glitter glue. I'm going to be using the liquid sugar.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So I'm going to go back with this black color, and I'm going to apply some as well.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on and on.
And as you guys can see, this is the final look. I really love how it turned out. It looks so pretty. Really, I'm obsessed with this. Enjoyed this video. I'll be leaving all the information in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye. Besitos. Mwah.